Today, you will learn how to insert a bullet in the middle of a sentence in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Start by opening your Microsoft Word document and click exactly where you want the bullet to appear. This blinking line is called the insertion point, and it tells Word where the symbol will be inserted. Once your cursor is in the correct position, go to the Insert tab at the top of Word. In the Symbols group on the right side, click the Symbol button. A small menu will appear showing recently used symbols and common characters. If you already see the bullet symbol in that small menu, simply click it once and Word will instantly insert the bullet into your sentence. This is the fastest method for beginners. But if the bullet you want is not visible there, don't worry. Click on More Symbols at the bottom of the menu. This opens the Full Symbol dialog box where Word stores many different special characters and symbols. Inside the symbol window, you will see a large grid filled with symbols. You can scroll through the list to find different bullet styles. Some bullets are solid circles, some are hollow circles, squares, diamonds, and many other shapes. To make searching easier, use the Subset drop-down menu and choose General Punctuation because many common bullet characters are stored there. Once you find the bullet symbol you like, click on it once to select it. Now, click the Insert button. The bullet will immediately appear in your document at the cursor position. One helpful thing is that the symbol window stays open, so if you need to insert multiple bullets in different places, you can keep clicking Insert without reopening the menu every time. This saves a lot of time when editing documents. After inserting the bullet, you can continue typing normally. For example, you can type a word, insert another bullet, then type more text. When you are completely finished inserting symbols, click the Close button to exit the symbol dialog box. There is also a faster keyboard shortcut method that many beginners eventually love using. At the bottom of the symbol dialog box, Word often shows a shortcut key for the selected bullet symbol. One common shortcut is Alt plus 0149. To use it, make sure Numlock is turned on. Then hold the Alt key on your keyboard and type 0149 using the numeric keypad. When you release the Alt key, the bullet symbol appears instantly. This method is very fast once you practice it a few times. Another useful thing to know is that you are not limited to only one bullet style. Word includes many symbol designs, so you can experiment with different bullets to make your document look more professional or creative. You can also resize the bullet by changing the font size or change its color just like normal text. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.